If you've noticed that you can't quite straighten your knee fully anymore, and that's whether you're in standing or sitting doing something like this, there's 3 causes I'm going to show you that you need to look at. The first would be the quad. So the quad muscle, which is right here, when she kicks her knee up, it's contracting. It's pulling her foot in the air. And if this muscle is weak, she won't be able to do that. And when you look at the knee model, if her knee is bent like this, that quad, when it pulls, it straightens the knee. So that could be reason number 1. Are your quads strong enough? Reason number 2, there's a capsule, essentially ligaments that go around the entire knee like this. They connect the 2 bones together. So if that capsule's tight, too tight around her knee, when she tries to kick up, she's fighting all that resistance and she won't be able to get all the way up. So what you would have to do in that case is stretch or mobilize this, and strengthening the quad won't do anything because you're trying to fight through this resistance. So you need to figure out which one it is. But a third cause could be the hamstrings. So what the hamstrings do, most people know that the hamstring would pull your leg into the air. They literally pull from here all the way up. But what happens is that hamstring can get tight. So while its job is to pull and bend the knee, if it gets really tight, then when you try to stretch the knee forward, it's fighting against all this tension and it can't quite get fully forward. So in this example here, if her hamstring was really, really fighting against her, go ahead and try to kick up, it's pulling her back. It's pulling her back. And in that case, you'd have to actually stretch the hamstring. So again, if you're having trouble fully straightening out your knee, or maybe in standing you notice you can't get up all the way, those are the 3 things that I would look at first.